What's good? It's your boy JP's back with another banging mukbang. It's late night, y'all. You know what I mean? And I absolutely 100% did not feel like cooking. So, you know what I mean? Why not go to the Golden Arches? You know what I'm saying? Went to McDonald's, got me a large fry. I got a double quarter pounder with cheese deluxe. And I got a 10-piece nugget, which they were wild disrespectful because they didn't even give me my barbecue sauce like I asked. So I had to, you know what I mean? I had to go through the condiment drawer, pull me out some barbecue sauce. But we're going to get right into it. Please, if you're new here, you already know what to do here. Like it, subscribe it, share it, do all that wonderful things. Shout out to everybody that stopped by today. Hope you had a wonderful, blessed day. We're going to get right into it because I'm hungrier than Oprah on a fruit diet. I'm not going to lie to you. Oh, man. Ain't nothing like some fresh nugget. You know? When they're fresh, there's nothing like it. I also got a Dr. Pepper. A diet Dr. Pepper. Woo! Excuse me. These nuggets are hitting, y'all. Well, let's take a look at this damn double quarter pounder deluxe. Onions and lettuce and all these wonderful things. First bite. What a beautiful mess. Ain't nothing like a fresh late night McDonald's when it's fresh. Look at that. You know, I'm an old dude. So, shout out to all of the subscribers that are younger. I don't know if y'all gonna remember this, but anybody that's an OG McDonald's eater, if they don't bring back that Arch Deluxe, shout out in the comments, man. If y'all remember the Arch Deluxe, that was a good ass sandwich. I think they tried to morph it into the Big and Tasty, but the original Arch Deluxe, now that was a good damn sandwich. That's one they should bring back. I think I was watching somebody on YouTube. I think they were in another country. I think they still have the Big and Tasty. I don't know why we don't. Then I seen somebody on YouTube. They had like Big Mac dipping sauce and shit. I tried to ask for that. The girl looked at me like I was a foreigner speaking a different language to her that she did not understand. I said, well, damn. You know, there are some quarter pounder lovers out there that who I know personally that get mad at the double quarter pounder deluxe because they said you throwing on the lettuce and the mayonnaise. You don't even need all that. The original sandwich is ill, which I can't disagree. The original sandwich is just as good. I was just craving it. Oh well. Go ahead, Mike. Who's bad? Your sandwich is bad. It's just good to me. And that's why I'm not gonna lie to y'all. McDonald's has to go down as the best. Now, granted, there's other places that have far better sandwiches, but I'm just saying overall, the big picture, McDonald's got to be the best, man. These are part reason why, man. If you meet a little kid that say, if you tell a little kid, say, hey, you want this chicken nugget, a McDonald's chicken nugget, 9 out of the 10 children are gonna say yes every single time, man. They lure you. McDonald's lures you in. If I'm using the word right, they entice you at a young age. You know what I'm saying? They give you if you're a picky eater, doesn't matter. They just give you they give you the nugget, and then what they do, they put it in a nice box, and then what they do, oh, we're gonna throw a toy in here with it. See, they get you from a very young age. I mean, come on now. I'm telling the truth because anybody who has eaten McDonald's, unless they from a different part of the world, if you grew up in America, Jack, you started eating McDonald's when you were little. Ain't nobody just turned 18 and was like, yeah, let me try McDonald's. No, you ate McDonald's when you was a little ass kid, man. They entice you from the very beginning. Yeah, get the nuggets. Oh, okay, we're gonna give you a toy. Well, I don't like nuggets. Okay, well, we'll put a little burger in there. Oh, well, we gotta get healthy. Well, we'll put a couple of pieces of apple in there. We're gonna get you from when you're little. Come on. Sure, I remember them days I was hungry, and you just ride by a McDonald's, and your mom would be like, "We're gonna eat when we get home." Like, and then you just ride by, you be like, "Brrr," and you just you looking at the McDonald's sign, heartbreak. What? Everybody's had that heartbreak as a kid when you drive by the McDonald's and your parents are like, "Oh hell no, we're eating, we're cooking dinner tonight." That's just like heart just explode. I'm telling you, that's how you know McDonald's is the GOAT. You know, if you disagree, tell me in the comments. You know what I mean? Y'all let me know y'all thoughts, but I can't even lie. That's the damn honest truth. Okay. Peace and blessings to y'all. You know what I mean? Continue to watch, share it, love it. I got nothing but love for y'all. Hope that the next move that you make is the best move that you make until the next time we see each other. Peace and love. We out of here.